Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the watch and preparing your phone. Hold the watch side button until the logo appears, then charge to 50% or more. This prevents interruptions. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and location. The app needs both to discover devices. Next, install and open the Radley Connect app, sign in, and accept permissions. Once done, tap Add Device in the app. Make sure the watch screen shows pairing mode so the phone can detect it. You now pair and sync. When the app shows the Radley watch, tap it and verify the numeric code on both screens, confirm to pair. The app will request permissions for notifications, contacts, and calendar. Grant only what you want shared because these enable smart alerts. Once you allow permissions, the app starts an initial sync of settings and watch faces. Keep the watch and phone within a few feet. If prompted, choose watch preferences like 24-hour. You finish by customizing and verifying. In the Radley app, set watch faces, notification priorities, and health tracking options so the watch behaves how you want. Then check for firmware updates and enable automatic updates to keep features current. If the watch isn't responding, restart the watch and phone first. If that fails, toggle Bluetooth or perform a Bluetooth reset on the watch and rerun Add Device. As a final tip, close background apps on your phone to reduce interference and try pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.